Oh no. So the power just went out. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm gonna make a little video of me setting up this generator. I'm in North Texas. Right now the weather is kind of messed up. We're supposed to have a power outage because I guess the temperature is gonna go down to maybe like 0 or maybe -3 degrees. So yeah, I had to buy a generator and I'm gonna try to set it up right now. So I don't know, maybe I guess making a little tutorial video. Let's get into it. So if you guys are gonna set this up, you guys definitely gonna need 2 people to carry this because this thing's about 150 pounds or more. So like I said, you're gonna have to get somebody to help you. I had to get somebody from Home Depot to help me get on the back of my truck. You know, the guy was really nice. So you definitely need somebody to get it in your vehicle because it is very heavy for just one guy or girl. These are the instructions that obviously nobody wants to read, so here they are. Yes, princess?
Artsy is
You're gonna need those tools to set it up.
here. Can I have one? Artsy is mine.
These are the wheels, guys.
No, you don't have to show them.
This is the engine oil. It's a 4-cycle small engine lubricant or oil. Okay, now that you guys got the generator out of the box, which it takes a long time, you gotta set the wheels first. Set up the wheels. So I had to get help from my wife. The thing is heavy. You see how I got that in there? There's one right there. And then there's the other one right there. Make sure you put it on the right side with where it has the crank. Where you crank it. That's where you have to put the bushings. So here's the next step right here. Step number 2 is putting the wheels. You're gonna need these. There's 2 of them. And you're gonna need the washer and the cotter pins. Okay, so this is gonna go through here. Right there. And it's gonna go in that hole. But you need to put the washer right here first. So I'm gonna put the camera down. Okay, so I put the wheels on, makes it easier to move around. I'll show you guys how the wheels go. This right there, and right there. That's how you put the wheels, and you can see the washer in there in the middle. Let's just see what the next step is. Number 3 says raise the handle, which I already did raise the handle. And I guess you could put these handles down. Okay, so you pull on these. You pull on this. Oh, there's only one. So you pull this one, and then it goes down. Okay, so the next step is to add the oil. Oil comes with the generator. You're gonna need a funnel, maybe some paper towels so you don't make a mess. And the oil is gonna go right there.
That's so small hole. It wasn't even on the side.
Hopefully I don't make a mess. Okay, so it says to add the whole bottle. I put a kettlebell right there. Might help to put it right there so that you could tilt it so you could add the oil right there. See what the next step is. It says the next step is to add fuel.
I'm gonna throw whisk at everybody.
Okay, so I brought the generator outside. Hopefully the camera angle's very good enough so you guys can see. I'm gonna put some fuel and try to start it. Okay, so here it says right here how to start it. It says starting instructions right here. Here we go. You gotta make sure that this is on right there. It was on off, engine off fuel, and then you gotta move it to cold start, and then you gotta pull to start. You gotta move the lever to the off position to turn it off now. That thing is pretty loud. So now what I'm gonna do is plug in a space heater to see if it works. Okay guys, so I did test it out with the space heater in my house, but now I'm gonna test it out with my air compressor. I have this little 5-gallon pancake air compressor. Okay, so as you can see, it works with the air compressor. So I actually bought this at the Ace hardware store because it recommends that you put this engine stabilizer, fuel stabilizer I mean. So I'm gonna add this probably the next time I put the fuel. Once I run out of fuel, I'm gonna mix it with the gas. And that's it, man. So you guys like this video, subscribe, like it. Also check out the podcast. And thank you guys for your time.